Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to see available storage on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! First, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom, not like that, but until you will see receiver settings. Then, you want to go into transmitter settings, and now you want to scroll all the way to the right, almost, until we'll see storage. Let's go into storage, and you'll notice that our little microphone here has still over 50 hours more to record. And if you would have more transmitters connected, you would see each individual space for each and every one of them. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.